how much does rejection affect you? Stop. Think. How much rejection affects you when you don't get the sale, or maybe you asked the pretty lady and she rejected you, or you told your mama you're going to be a closer and she rejects the idea. How much does that affect you? Okay. This is what I'm going to be discussing in this call and why this is so important. But to make this point even clearer, I will show you, because I'm hyped about this. I got my first hate comment, guys. You know that I started doing a few days ago. I started making content, and well, I got my first hate comment. So I don't know. I want to share it with you guys because this is also going to help me to explain my point. So this is what it is. I was talking about how to be authoritarian in sales, whatever. And Mr. Doggy here put, I hate myself for posting this. Usually people who hate themselves hate, so makes sense. But you acting like a successful sales expert. But given the lack of proof to support your video, I suspect you're guru based of watching a bunch of videos. You talk about authority, but actually add none to your video. This is a bad frame. My answer, this is, by the way, I was about to ignore this one, but this is great because I realized that you have to fight in comments so you can get attention. So anyways. Well, a few mil collected, over 50K a month, work with the biggest names like Prince CH, Jason Capital, but sure, thanks for the hate comment, Doggy. That was her response. Now, why is this important?
Hey, put your fucking phone down. Focus. If you cannot even watch one video with full concentration, how do you expect to be successful in life? Focus. Now, since I have you here, you could work one-on-one with me. I don't have a mentorship, I have a brotherhood. I have people who are working almost 700 hours in a row. I have people who had no knowledge in sales and now are making more than 5 figures in just a few months. I will not teach you stupid linguistics like say the stupid word track. I will not teach you useless tonalities that make you look like a clown. I will not teach you to be a pushover in sales who tries to force stuff. Quite the opposite. I'm going to teach you psychology, the real psychology, so that you can know exactly what to do to make people do whatever the fuck you want. You don't get just group coaching calls. You get one-on-ones with me where you can become a beast, where I can help you with anything you need. I can be your mentor. More than 300 hours of fucking content so that you know exactly what to do in every area. Join the brotherhood. Join the hunters and become the best version of yourself. Get the life you always fucking wanted, or do nothing and let my hunters take everything from you. If you want to join, you can see the link down below. That being said, let's continue with the video.
I answered, and you're going to see why, for 2 reasons. One, obviously, is to get more interaction in social media, but the second one is because I want you guys to understand one thing, which is you can take something positive from all of this. I'll get to there. But first, let's talk about one important thing. Boys, if you answered that question that I did at the beginning with some type of positivism, like, yes, I do get affected. Yes, rejection strikes a chord in me. I would like you to think of this. Rejection is for the one doing it, not for you. I'll say it again. Rejection is for the one doing it, not for you. When you get rejected by a chick, when Doggy comments a hate thing on your post, when your mama tells you you should not be a closer, you should be a teacher, whatever it is, the hate, the rejection, the anything is because of them. It's not you. You're not rejecting yourself. It is them rejecting the idea that you're giving. Okay? So do not give a single shit. Do you? Whether you do the things that you like or the things that you don't like, you're going to be critiqued. So that being the premise, you might as well do whatever the fuck you want anyways. That's the first lesson. The second lesson is this: every hate, every rejection comes from one place. And it's your job to find out where is that place coming out from. So in this case, what Doggy said, even though he's a wanker, he has a point. I haven't been abusing my authority. Like what I just put in the comment, I didn't say in videos. Therefore, he might genuinely believe that I had no authority at all. So yes, That's why I also put that comment. Okay. But now I made videos saying, yeah, I make this and this and this, so that people already know that I have a frame, that I have an authority. All right. So every hate that you can get something positive out of it. Some cases, they will be just literally idiots. So it's like, it's fine, whatever. But my point is, every type of rejection you face, every deal that you couldn't close, everything that might happen in that case, it comes from somewhere, and you should jump to find out where is that, where is this coming from. And if you can find it, boom, you can really bring it down, and immediately you can expand on it and see it clearly. It's like, oh, this is the problem, got it, I'll fix it. All right. But clearly, don't be affected. No one gives a single solitary shit. So that's the mindset lesson. Remember, guys, rejection is for the one doing it, and learn from every mistake, learn from every hate comment, learn from every rejection, learn from every negative thing that happens in your life. So that's been it with this one, and happy hunting, and I will see you in the next one. Motherfucker.